everybody? Hope you're having another blessed day. For today's video, we're back at Disney World for me to give you guys my POV perspective of the 7 Dwarf Mine Train, one of the most popular rides, most crowded rides in Magic Kingdom. So with that in mind, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Will ask to leave. Please abide by the key markings located on the ground and maintain your 6 feet of physical distance between you and...
That's going to do it for the video, and I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, please show me by leaving a like on the video. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that's the best way you can help support me, and the best way you make sure you're in tune for the next video comes out. With that in mind, you know what time it is. Hope the rest of the week is blessed, and I hope to see you again in the next video. And with that, I'm out.